Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're going to be making Nigerian American buttercream or American buttercream Nigerian style. I call it this because of the ingredient and not the technique, so I'm going to be using my own personal technique. You don't have to do it that way, you can use the mixer. So I'm going to start by beating my margarine. It's the margarine that makes it Nigerian American buttercream, because the normal American buttercream uses butter, full fat butter, but in this case we usually use margarine because butter is quite expensive in Nigeria. So I'm going to beat my margarine till it's fluffy and it's pale in color and it's no longer yellow. I'm still going to continue beating it till it doubles in size. By the time I'm done beating my margarine, I'm going to add my flavor. This would make the buttercream taste good. After I'm done beating my margarine, now I'm going to start the proper mixing process. Please note that you can mix this on the mixer if you so wish. I realize that whenever I mix it in the mixer, I tend to have air pocket, but this method does not allow me have air pockets, so you can do whichever one you so please. I prefer using this and it has been working for me. But if you don't like a messy job like dipping your hands into the buttercream, then you can mix everything in the mixer. If you haven't subscribed already, please do that immediately. By the way, the reason why I can do this so easily is because of the glove I'm using. It's a latex glove and it's very thick in texture, so it was easy for me to mix this properly and there was no air pockets by the time I was done. I would show you a sample of me using the buttercream on a brown parchment paper or brown paper. See how smooth it is. I'm also going to show you what it looks like when I pipe with it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Click the red button below. So this is how to preserve your buttercream in an airtight container, and please do not store in your fridge, just keep at room temperature. So this is how lush and beautiful this is looking. It's so perfect for piping and it's very stable. And this is another type of rosette. It's looking good, so you can use this for your piping. You can use this to frost a cake, you can use it for your celebration. So hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a like, try it out, leave a comment at the comment section. See you in my next video. Bye bye for now.